everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm showing you what coupons that I'm gonna try to go and use at the Dollar Tree or CVS this week. Again, I'm on a hiatus, I'm quarantined, and I don't know, I'm still up in the air about should I go couponing or not. I don't know, but I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna show you what coupon that I would use if I was the coupon this week. All right, let's go. So the first one we're going to go through is the Smart Source. The Smart Source is real thin. The retail Menot was thinner than the Smart Source. So they really ain't got no good coupon. I'm just going to say that. All right, so we got some more CoverGirl coupons. I pretty much going to use them at CVS. They don't have any I haven't seen any CoverGirl at the Dollar Tree. But these are really good coupons. They're $3 off. One eye, and then this one is $2 off. Those are some good coupons. The Elite coupon. Now, I use this at the Dollar Tree. It always beeps for me. I really don't use it no more. I don't know. I usually throw it away or either go. I guess I'm going to have to find another place to use it at. But I used to use it at the Dollar Tree. One time they did scan, but they don't scan no more. But free or leave if your Dollar Tree will address the coupon. It'll be free or leave. All right. These 50 cents off 2 boxes. They sell those at the Dollar Tree. They'll be 50 cents with that with that coupon. Sally Hansen, they don't sell that. What is this? Resolve. Nope, none of that. Airwick, they don't sell the starter kits. No, fresh. No, none of that. Now I've seen this brand at the Dollar Tree before. So if they do, you'll save $1 off 2. So buy one get one free. And also about the pie crust, it'll be buy one get one free. I've only seen this brand at my Dollar Tree one time before, so I don't know. That's not a regular item. They don't sell Arm & Hammer toothbrushes. And I've never seen those. Now, I've used this $5 off coupon on hair color. It was for Miss Clairol or Clairol Professional. What is this? Nice and Easy. Clairol Nice and Easy. I've never seen Clairol like Nice and Easy, but it was another coupon I used at the Dollar Tree. And it had to be adjusted. Okay, so this Dole, 2 packs of Dove fruit bowls. No, they don't sell Dole at the Dollar Tree. But if your Dollar Tree sells it, it'll be 50 cents for each pack. And that's it for the Smart Source. Again, this week, it sucks for couponing this week. So if you don't need to go and buy any coupons, you don't need to really go and buy any newspapers because the coupon sucks this week. But only one that was good was, nothing. All right, so here's the Retail Me Not. This is very thin too. No cats for me. Here's the $3 Garnier Fructis coupon, $3 off 2. So if you have those hair masks at your Dollar Tree, they'll be free with this coupon. It says conditioner, treatment, or styling products. So free with that coupon if you have any Garnier Fructis products. Whole blends, no. Barilla. So they have this dry Barilla. I've never seen Barilla pasta sauce at my Dollar Tree, but if you have it, it'll be $1 when you buy one, so it'll be free. If you have that at yours, again, I've never seen it at mine. All right, so that's the end of the Smart Source. That's the end of the Retail Me Not for coupons. That's the end of that one. All right, so I'm going to show you some coupons that I printed from coupons.com. Most of these are repeaters. They just reset, so I reprinted them again. Clorox toilet bowl, no. Sentiva, no. Ivory. I don't think I've ever seen Ivory at the Dollar Tree either. This Huggies coupon, you probably need, if you shop at CVS or coupon at CVS, this is a great coupon to use this week. The Huggies are on sale. So if you use this coupon, you'll get almost free Huggies. And they're on Fetch Rewards and Ibotta. Make sure you use my coupon code for Fetch Rewards and Ibotta if you haven't already signed up for that app. So this is a great coupon to use. Again, it resets, so go ahead and print it now. This cling wrap, I've used this at the Dollar Tree. It scans. So I got plenty of cling wrap. Ben and Jerry's, 75 cents. That ain't enough off. Ben and Jerry's is high. Glade. I've never seen Glade jar candles. Sensodyne, no. Alright, so the Scrubber Bowl, toilet bowl cleaner, I bought plenty of those. 50 cents off one. So that'd be 50 cents with that coupon. There's $2 off Delsum. That coupon is back. If you have any Mucinex or Delsum at your Dollar Tree, I bought plenty of Mucinex with this coupon. That's the coupon I used to buy Mucinex, and it was free with that coupon and it scanned. So if you have that in your Dollar Tree, make sure you use that coupon. Burbees, they have that at CVS. They don't have that at Dollar Tree. Maybelline New York, no, that's at CVS. I printed more of those. Okay, here's the printable coupon for the Garnier Fructis. So if you have that treatment mask that I've hauled in my last Dollar Tree videos, you can use that coupon there. It has to be adjusted because it beeps. Chic, Energizer. I never seen Energizer batteries, but it'll be a 50 cent off coupon if you have Energizers at your Dollar Tree. $1 on the Colgate mouthwash. I think the 2-in-1 Colgate was just like mouthwash and toothpaste. I think this coupon works on that. I don't never tried it, but try it. I don't know. I never tried it, but if it does, it'll be free toothpaste with that one. 50 cent off White Castle sliders, 4 count or 6 count. Now, in my Dollar Tree, I seen some White Castle sliders. I never seen a coupon for it, so if you had a White Castles, I think they break them out the package. So I don't think they sell them in like a pack, but I've seen them there. I have to check the next time I go and see if they have them. So this week is going to be pretty much slow. The world is going through something right now, so nobody's really out couponing, shopping. Everything's pretty much closed. So this week is pretty much going to be slow with couponing. Again, it's going to be optional by Tuesday. I don't know how everything is going to go. If everything clears up, I'll be going to the Dollar Tree on Tuesday to do Trick Off Tuesday. I'm pretty much not going to be doing videos with couponing no time soon. I'm quarantined right now. So I just want to show you what coupons I got. All right. Thank you for watching. Make sure you check out all my previous videos. While you're in the house, watch my videos so you can learn how to coupon. I had a lot of Dollar Tree Trick Off Tuesday couponing video hauls. I have a couple CVS hauls and Walmart Ibotta hauls. So just go through some of my videos and watch those while you're sitting at home, and so you can learn how to coupon and save your coins in 2020. Yes, it's all about saving your coins. Thank you for watching. It's Beauty Passion, and I'm out.